Welcome to the course Wireless Network Unit 1 Wireless LAN. The objective of this video lecture is to understand the concept of WATM. Topic is WATM. What is WATM? WATM means wireless ATM. WATM means wireless ATM. This WATM is also called as wireless ATM or mobile ATM or WM, wireless mobile ATM. Okay, this WATM describes what is the transmission technology used in the WATM, and also what is the need of integration, seamless integration of wireless terminal into the ATM network. So to be successful in future, ATM network must adopt the wireless technology. Why? Because this wireless technology is rapidly growing in the field of mobile communication. So to cope up with the future communication, we have to implement the wireless technology future in the fixed ATM network. So to implement the wireless nature in the fixed ATM network, okay, this WATM has to provide this functionality whenever the mobile device is moving. We need to identify the location management. We need to identify the location of each and every device as it is continuously moving. We should have the track of the location of the mobile device, and also we should know the routing. Okay, see, as the mobile is going from one region to another region, in which way the information has to be routed to a particular mobile device. Okay, we should know the mobile routing. And then handover signaling, as the mobile device goes from one region to another region, okay, the control signals and other signals, data signals, has to be handed over to the other access point. So we need proper handover techniques. Then we need to have a quality of service, and then traffic control management, and then network management services. Next, what are all the WATM services? Okay, see, the WATM can be utilized in the office environment to connect all the wireless devices present in the office, and then it can be used in the universities, schools, and training centers, and then in industry to provide wireless access to the industry, and then hospitals to connect the various electronic equipments present in the hospital. We can use WATM services. Even in the home environment, to connect the various wireless devices used by a particular persons, we can use WATM service. And then networked vehicles. Suppose if the vehicle is having networking capability, okay, they can be connected via the WATM services. Next, this is the generic reference model of the WATM network. The first part, we call it as a radio segment part, and then second part is the fixed network segment part. Mostly the first part is the radio segment, as it involves the wireless connection. Say MATM terminal. What is MATM? Mobile ATM terminal. What is WATM? Wireless ATM terminal adapter, and then RAS means radio access system. Okay, then it is connected to EMASE. EMASE means end user mobility supporting ATM switch edge. Then it is connected to EMASN, that is end user mobility supporting ATM switch network. Then finally to the ATM switch, then to the fixed end system. These four combination is called as fixed network segment. Then this is the reference model of the WATM network. In this, they have given 6 different scenario of the connection. Before going to that 6 scenario, let's see what is the expansion of each and every device that is given in the short form here. T means terminal, MT means mobile terminal, WT means wireless terminal, WMT means wireless mobile terminal, RAS means radio access system, EMAS means end user mobility supporting ATM switch, E means edge, N means network. NMAS means Network Mobility Supporting ATM Switch. MS means Mobile ATM Switch. ACT means ADA Controller Terminal. Okay, so now we'll see one by one. Okay, in the first region, the WMT, that is wireless mobile terminal, is connected to the ADA controller terminal and then finally to the radio access system. Okay, so this particular type of scenario is called as wireless ad hoc ATM network. The first scenario is called as wireless ad hoc ATM network. And then in the second region, wireless mobile terminal is connected to the radio access system. Then radio access system is connected to EMASE, that is end user mobility supporting ATM switch. Okay, this particular scenario is called as wireless mobile ATM terminals. Wireless mobile ATM terminals. Okay, so in the third case, mobile terminal is directly connected to EMASE. MT means mobile terminal. EMASE means end user mobility supporting ATM switch edge. This scenario is called as wireless ATM terminals. Then in the fourth scenario, MS, that is mobile ATM switch. MS means mobile ATM switch is connected to the RAS radio access system, and then terminal T is connected to the mobile ATM switch. Then mobile ATM switch is connected to RAS radio access system. Then radio access system is connected to NMAS, Network Mobility Supporting ATM switch. This particular scenario is called as mobile ATM switch. This particular scenario is called as mobile ATM switch. Mobile ATM switch. Again, in the fifth case, directly the terminal is connected to EMASN. Okay, so that is called as fixed ATM terminal. This is fixed ATM terminal. Okay, then in the last case, sixth case, wireless terminal is directly connected to RAS, then to the NMAS. Now this case is called as fixed wireless ATM terminal. This case is called as fixed ATM wireless terminal. Okay, then I will also write the scenario of the 1, 2, 3 also. Scenario 1 is wireless ad hoc ATM network. Wireless ad hoc ATM network. The scenario 2 is wireless mobile ATM terminal. Wireless mobile ATM terminal. The scenario third scenario is wireless ATM terminal. Okay, so these are all the 6 possible scenarios given in the WATM reference model. So now I have referred the Joseph Schiller mobile communication book. Thank you.